not getting money, they go run away from you. But when you get the money, they go run come back to you. Man on a motor, money the driver. If you no get the money, na big palava. You go be like a motor without the engine. Nobody go want you. Fine but without money, be like transport to motor. Just go enter and still alight. If you can't get money, you be like mansion. Everyone want the last. But if you no get the money, they go they run away from you. If you can't get the money, they go they run come back to you. If you no get the money, they go they run away from you. If you get the money, they go for Yakata for you. Samburuya, take out jejeli. Every woman go like to dey chop your money, but better care go help you make more money. But men wey get money no dey find love, cause every girl go like am more. Man on a motor, money the driver. If you no get the money, na before to motor. Just go enter and still alight. If you can't get the money, you be like mansion. Everyone want the last, but if you no get the money, they go they run away from you. If you can't get the money, they go they run come back to you. If you no get the money, they go they run away from you. If you get the money, they go for Yakata for you. Samburuya.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi. Sorry I kept you waiting.
Hey, it's fine. The most important thing is that you are here now.
Yes.
So,
You look so beautiful.
thank you.
Can we go in?
No. That will delay us, you know. I'm here to take the money you asked me to come and take this evening for my preparations. Where's the money?
I thought I already sent you 50,000 naira.
Oh yes, you did, but that's not enough. That's why over the phone we agreed that I'll come and take more money. Did you know what? You have so many friends. When you go and borrow. When you borrow like 10k from 10 of them, that will be like 100,000. Then I can manage that. Go and borrow.
But I have an integrity to preserve. I can't just go to my friends and start collecting money. I'll have to cut my code according to...
Come on, my love. Don't be broke and proud. Who does that? You said you'd do anything for me, isn't it?
Yes, but not to borrow from
Hey,
my...
it's part of love. Go and borrow. So, you said something about surprise. What?
Yeah, I got you a surprise.
What's that?
Close your eyes.
Baby.
Close your eyes.
Okay, fine. My eyes are closed. Can I open now?
Not yet, very soon.
Oh.
Ta-da-da! You can open.
This is, I guess, an iPhone.
Yes.
Huh? What is this? Is this a joke or something? No, what be this now?
It's a phone. I actually got it for 50,000 naira.
So this guy, you know the shame. It's a phone, and I actually got it for 50,000 naira. And they clap for you, you do well. Odogu, you dey craze. No wonder you look me finish, say this old hair fine. Fear God. No be your mates they carry their girlfriends go Dubai. Or even buy them iPhone. No be your mates.
Baby, why are you sounding like this? Huh? You already know what I do. I don't have that kind of money to take anyway. I do that, but not like I wouldn't, but I don't. You already know what I do for a living. I sell clothes by the roadside. I'm upcoming. Things will definitely get better.
Things will get better. And things they cost every day. Things will get better. You're a very wicked boy. In fact, they swear for you. They follow you from your village come. See, make I warn you. I don't want to see you close to me tomorrow. In fact, not even near my compound tomorrow. Just day your own. Day your own. No iPhone, no birthday.
Baby.
No iPhone, No celebration. No iPhone, no relationship. Day your day, make I day my day, yeah?
Baby.
Eh?
Things will get better. I promise you.
See, now see finish the course this one, I blame you. I don't want to see you for my life again, in fact.
Hello? Yeah, this is Felix. Alright, I'll be there about 8 p.m. Thank you.
So, if you should be our employee, like how much are you looking at?
Madam, I'm sure there's a fixed amount of money paid to those who work in the department that I'm about to occupy in this company.
I see. Well, I'm first will be paying you 180,000 naira. If it's okay by you, then you start up work tomorrow.
Of course, ma'am. It's okay for me. Thank you, ma'am. I'll see and ensure that I do my best in this company. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Congratulations, Mr. Felix.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So, thank you.
So, you want me? What kind of nonsense is this one?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
It's okay. It's okay. Make sure you keep focused when moving. Do you understand? All this Gen Z words of these days.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am.
And say, you won't do your body. Waiting now. You guys not get high. You were coming to say your eye close.
Oh, God. Oh, goodness. Finally, Mr. Felix is going to be earning 180,000 naira a month! I need to call her. She has to hear the good news. Hello? Baby, pick your call, baby. Pick! Because why she's not picking? Why she's not picking? Huh? God, you need to be the first to hear this good news. 180,000 naira! Bye-bye to roadside hustling. But I'm not picking. She's not picking. Anyway, she'll call me back. Bye-bye to roadside hustling. Bye-bye roadside hustling. Now, Mr. Corporate, 180,000 monthly. Mr. Corporate, 180,000 monthly. Mr. Corporate! Oh goodness! Dikeh, I just got a job! 180,000! One job! What is wrong with you?
Mr. Man, are you not?
Mr. Woman, what is wrong? Are you not? Is this not the road?
You're lucky I'm an expert. If I were an amateur, you wouldn't be standing here talking this rubbish. You'll be dead by now.
Come on, take this thing out of the way. Is this not the road? You want to pass?
Look at this hungry bastard.
Oh, please get out. Look at him. Why are you bending your neck? What will you do?
Are you talking to me that way? Where are you looking? Hey, why are you looking at my girl like that? Haven't you seen a fine girl before? Hey, I'm I'm talking to you. Babe, why is he looking at you like that way? Mr. Man, babe, why are you looking at my dog? Babe, why is this guy looking at you? Babe? Yes, what are you saying? It's my girlfriend. Babe? Are you stupid? Babe? What's this stupid man calling you babe? Do you know him?
No, I don't.
Yeah.
Babe, you don't know him. I am not your girlfriend. I am not your babe. He's my boyfriend, right? I'm your girlfriend, right?
Yeah! So, what is he doing?
I don't know you. Maybe he's confused.
My God, baby, what are you saying?
I don't know him. I don't know you.
Why are you making this drama? Why is he crying? What's wrong with you?
I want you to write a speech for me that I'll be presenting in the next board meeting.
Alright, ma.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, ma.
You don't look okay to me.
I am okay, ma. I'm fine.
Okay, if you have anything that's troubling you, make sure you get back to me on it, okay? And don't allow it to affect your job.
Yes, ma.
Okay, you can go.
Felix!
Oh, boss!
What are you doing here?
I'm waiting for a taxi. He'll be here soon.
Just hop in, let me drop you.
Okay,
Hop in here. You just heard him say he's waiting for a taxi to take him to wherever it is that he's going to.
It's okay. Thanks, boss. Thank you.
He's fine. Let's go.
Okay.
Why are you doing this to me? Why?
Felix, I am not doing anything to you. Why can't you just leave me alone? Why?
I can't. I've tried, heaven knows. I keep trying. I just can't get you out of my life. Is this who you leave me for?
Felix, he's better than me. He takes care of me. He spends money on me without me asking. He doesn't give me 15K. He does better. You get that? Go and sort yourself out. You look miserable and wretched. Can't deal with this. Baby,
My sweetheart.
you know I love you.
Yeah. You heard her.
Let's go.
There's no need for this drama.
You know, I knew something was wrong. I kept asking him, but he never said anything to me. So I had to let him go.
I'm sure it was the way Felix was presenting himself to her. You know, that's why she's treating him that way. And then she realized that Felix loves her so much and could, take any sacrifice for her. My dear, that girl no love that guy at all. She's taking advantage of him.
He better leave that relationship before that girl renders his career useless.
That's exactly what I told you. But you know the year word.
Are you trying to say that he's under his spell?
Well, I'm not trying to say anything, but the way he's behaving, it's just as if he's under a spell. Like, probably the girl don't put something for inside the food when he chop.
Huh. That girl is not good for him at all.
At all, no. Can you imagine? Me, I cannot even treat my guy despite my stubbornness. I know if you try that nonsense.
Imagine raising your hand to slap your boyfriend.
Can you imagine? Eh? I know if you try more, except the guy, passes his boundary, and I go, you understand now? You know me before now.
That's not what we're talking about. Meanwhile, what do I offer you?
I beg, just give me anything, Joe.
Okay, my dear, let me get some. All right.
Hello, Felix. It's me, S.A. How you doing? I just wanted to know how you're doing. It's good to hear you're feeling better. All right. Felix, I know women need to be loved unconditionally. But you know something, love is not something you need to fight for. Like, you don't need to stress yourself to fight for all of that. Especially when you know you love the person so much and she doesn't love you back, like she's not reciprocating back. So, yeah, all you need to do is for you to give her some time, like, give her some space, and then you have to stop calling. And then, after some time, she'll realize that the man that she loves so much, is not calling her and all that. Rather, the man that loves her so much is no longer calling her. You understand? And then she'll come around begging, I hope I'm not talking too much. It's just a piece of advice. All right, no problem. Okay, darling. Do have a good night. Rest. This is my number. You can save it. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. Just save it. All right. Good night. Sweet dreams. Bye. All right.
Hello, Ogie. Look, Ogie, I know I work for your father, but that doesn't give you the infantry to just talk to me in any manner you like. How can you be talking to me in that commanding tone? Yes, I said I'm coming back today, but then something came up. Ogie, I still have 3 days. I'm not even done with my leave. Look, Ogie, you say I left you. Just listen to yourself. Look at what you're saying. You are the one that came to my house unannounced. And you refused to go. Imagine, since this is the 5th week, and then you're not even considering that you're putting me in danger. You know what? Don't worry, I'll call you. Hey, babe.
Hi, baby.
Hey, baby. I thought you said you wanted to do some makeup before coming out.
Oh, no. Remember you said I should come out, so I had to rush out. So, are you taking me anywhere?
No, actually, I'm supposed to be going back tomorrow because my leave will be done in 2 days.
Oh,
Yeah.
so soon.
Come on.
But I'll miss you.
Come on, I know, but we can still be talking on the phone. And I'm even thinking, what if you come visiting? It's a good idea. Just come around, stay. I'm cool with that. Yeah, seriously, I'll be okay with that.
Thank you. Babe,
Yes.
can I ask you something?
Of course, yeah.
Do you really love me?
Babe, are you the one asking this question? Of course I love you. If I don't love you, why would I be lavishing so much wealth on you these few days we just met? Come on, I love you. It only takes a guy that loves a girl the way I love you to spend that kind of money to do this. So I love you with all my heart.
I am thankful for you. You know, you're so sweet. You care so much for me. You're so adorable. You don't even wait for me to ask before you give. Baby, I want you to know that what I feel for you is real. Okay?
Come on, enough of the compliments. I know you do love me and you're a wonderful person. Come on, I love you with all my heart and I can do anything for you, my queen.
So, my love,
Yeah.
since you'll be traveling next tomorrow, and I'm jobless, can I come with you? You know, I just finished serving. Huh? Yes, I'm still around. No, I'm not doing anything serious.
Madam, what's your pin?
You know, sister, they make up.
Oh, sorry.
You dey Chris. No, respect your blood group. Yes, please. Who be this girl? No, I will slap you. I will see you. Says be like that. What is the worry? Why you dey stop my call?
Which person car you hit like
Now
this?
your car hit. You dey mad. Says it be.
Are you stupid? No, your ear deaf. You don't get sense. So now my car you dey go. Who be you? Because you dey use your sense dey waka for ground. You don't think you dey craze.
This is a car. You dey drive caterpillar. You dey back.
I go hold for you. Are you stupid?
Says it be.
Is that how you talk to people?
Says it be like a ripe plantain. You dey waka your father.
Imagine this girl, oh.
If you call her,
See this Oyibo rabbit. They talk to me like that. Are you stupid?
See this mugu.
See this fermented food. One cheap call you they make. You know, I've been hunting for you to leave the road. Then you not carry your.
You dey crazy. Space no full everywhere. But you park here. I just not before you get this gongo away they drive. Now your sugar daddy get her. Or maybe now your boyfriend. Because you that fake girl you be now. Says it be. See washy.
Essay. This girl don't match line. You are very stupid. Because of 500 naira money when you want withdraw, when you want to use less your generation, then you talk to me like that. Are you stupid? You don't know who I am?
Who you be? Who be your father?
Who I am? If I let go you,
I go change your face. I go change your face. See this mugu.
Because I don't repent. Now because I don't repent, I dey classic. Nonsense.
You dey mad? I call your name for this quarrel. You dey crazy? Cause na me and I blame myself. Na me come here. You dey mad? Come on, give me my card. God punish you with this your nonsense POS. See what you dey
You
check.
tell us I don't dey classic.
See what you dey.
My friend get at
Your mates dey drive you wagon. Your mates dey drive you wagon. See what you dey check.
500 naira when you want withdraw.
I go just scatter this motor.
Ah, come on for here, carry your sister dey go.
See what you dey check. You know dey shame. You know dey shame. Come. I go slap you. I no go. You no get sense.
Follow that comot. See this one where they even dey beg me sef. See with the K leg.
Can you buy this type of car? Shut up your mouth! See, you get luck, oh. See how with the double left leg, nonsense. You get luck, say I don't change. I don't beat you, but no vex, I beg, eh? Give me 50,000.
Savings or current?
Savings.
I even 2K there she be one collect before.
Imagine. Very stupid girl. She get luck, say I don't repent, I dey classy. Even if I don't give her.
What is it now? Just imagine one stupid, idiotic, mannerless idiot of a girl insulted me on my way to go and withdraw money. Can you imagine? No get respect. She don't provoke me. What happened? I wanted to park. So the girl was just standing on the road. I horn for her. You know what? I said, okay, leave the road. All of a sudden, this girl just insulted me. Told me to carry the space and go to my house. All this solution, they don't get respect too. Can you imagine? The girl look, I don't give her beating of her life. I swear. Oh, Jesus wept. What's funny now? I can't believe you had to condescend solo to exchange words with such a character. Which one is that one? That girl, she's so mannerless. If you see that girl, very shameless. She was even ready to fight. But I just respected myself because I'm classy. I don't want to just give her that my old character. I just left her. Imagine, very stupid girl. I bet you get cold water, I won't drink. I did very thirsty, my blood is hot.
Hope something there to eat, though.
Babe, it's okay. You know, some of these girls that are privileged to buy cars, they have a way of intimidating people.
I am sure that is not even her car. It's either the car belongs to her father or her boyfriend.
You know what? Let's not worry about that. The main thing is you're okay. There's no scratch or bruises. Thank God.
I'm okay now. Am I not the one that dealt with her? We should decrease. There's something wrong. I like what they worry that girl. What should they feel like?
Babe.
Should they decrease?
Babe, don't tell me that you're a street girl.
Oh, come on. No. Baby, I am not a street girl. You know, look at what she did to my sister Irene. I just cannot let it slide. I needed to teach her a lesson. You know, I think she lacks some manners. I'm not a street girl.
Alright, it's okay. Don't worry about that. Let me just drop you at home so you change clothes and we'll go have lunch. Okay?
Oh, baby. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Anything for you.
I just received the money you sent.
Oh, about that. Don't worry.
You.
Just use the 100K and settle the guy that has been disturbing you. And use the rest of the money to get food stuff and get something to just look good for me.
Thank you.
Alright. So let's get going.
Hey, how are you? Your message? No, I did not get your message. I was so busy this morning, I didn't bother to check my phone for messages. So how are you feeling now? Have you had something to eat? How about your medication? Have you taken your medication? Oh, okay, that's great. I'm sure you'll be fine. It's just stress from work. You need a lot of rest. Don't worry, I'll be with you soon, okay? So tell me, what do you want me to get for you? Nothing? Okay, this is what we are going to do. I'm going to get you your favorite, even though you don't need it now. You might want to take it later. Yes, I want you to stay strong and don't get sick. I think I'll just grab some fruit for you when coming. Why? Oh, that's so thoughtful of her. All right, I'll see you soon. Be good.
Yes, where are you going?
I want to get something for Cletus.
Is he back from work?
Yes, he is.
Okay, did he take the money?
He refused to take the money. He said the money is yours. Maybe he wants you to come by yourself.
He's not serious.
Sis, is there something going on between you two?
Did he tell you something is going on between us?
No, he didn't tell me anything. Just that there's this reaction you normally give anytime myself and Cletus mention his name.
Since you've decided to know, Madam, we have cut ties. We're no longer together.
Sis, you mean you're no longer together?
Yes, we're no longer together. And it's for the best. Any other question?
If you ask me, Felix is a nice guy. Whatever it is, please sort it out.
Enough. Felix is not a nice guy. As you can see, I have someone else. A good guy who has money. And he takes care of me without me asking. That's what every woman wants. Alright?
That guy?
Yes. His name is Larry. The guy you met at my birthday party. So he's the best guy for me.
That guy? The one that has ego? I don't like him at all.
Madam, I don't need you to like him. It's my relationship and not yours. Besides, how old are you? You're just 19. You don't know anything about relationships. So shut your mouth.
I'm not 19, no. I'm going to 20.
Seal it. Are you exchanging words with me? If not that you're my sister, I would have just given you a dirty slap. Ewu come here. Come, where is my money?
It's not here with me. When I come back, I'll give it to you.
Hurry up, oh. I don't want stories. I love money. I don't want stories about that.
This is my sister said, money will not put you in trouble because of money.
Hey, Mr. Man, do you need a lift? Why are you so used to standing under the sun? Is it that you enjoy the scorching sun? It gives you vitamin E or B. Oh, you think I don't know what you're playing at? Oluchi has told me everything. You know? But whatever you play at, it won't work. She's my girlfriend. Mine.
Are you done? Is that what she told you? Stop looking at me. I just asked you a question. Is that what she told you?
I'm telling you, she's my girlfriend. And I'm warning you, if anything happens to her, I'll come at you hard. Shut your trap.
During this watches.
What? He has the guts to hit you. And you let him go just like that? Huh? That guy is so lucky I wasn't there.
Babe, I don't just want to cut his cause he's in there. I wanted to retaliate, but then people there were just holding me back.
You could have simply gotten him arrested for raising his hands against you. I don't want to retaliate. Do it!
He hasn't gotten to that.
It hasn't gotten to that.
Don't worry, next time. I'll deal with him. Like, I'll so deal with him.
Baby.
Yeah.
I am so sorry for the embarrassment. You know, I don't know. I'm so sorry for whatsoever that idiot fed you with. Please, I'm sorry. It won't happen again. You know, I'm sure he's trying to pay me back for insulting him the first day we met. He actually called me a prostitute. So I needed to do something. Please.
He called you a prostitute?
Yes.
And to think that guy just looks like a gentleman.
Gentle? Where are they disguise? He's not gentle anything, no. You see all these people like this that appear so gentle, they are evil. They are deadly. You could they chop you till they enter you. The moment they succeed, you'll be shocked. He's not gentle. He's a jobless and confused man. In fact, he's jealous. Where?
He thinks probably I'm going to fall for all his cheap prank. No, I didn't. No. See, babe, let's just forget about that. As you're seeing me, I'm just moving. I'm going back today.
Yes, you did.
Why are you now acting as if I didn't mention it to you?
Sorry, I forgot. You know, it's not my fault. Sorry about that. But we'll be talking on phone, right?
Of course. Yeah, we'll be talking. I'll always call you.
So, baby, tell me. What do you say about what I told you?
Okay, don't worry. Let me get back first. You come next week.
Next
week? Yeah.
I'll be the happiest girl on earth.
Yes. You get that C.E.O. even be, I will tell you to come this weekend.
Come
on, I'll miss you.
You know? I would love that.
Don't worry. I'll call you to come.
Sorry, my dear friend. I am so sorry, please. Sorry. I don't say you don't invest.
Before Uncle, why not invest?
Sorry.
You said the meeting will not take time. At least you would have told me that you're going to spend so much time so I can go do my delivery for people that place orders.
You didn't go for the delivery?
See your mouth. Didn't you tell me to stay? You told me to wait now.
I'm sorry about that. I take all the blame. I didn't know it was going to take this long. I had to talk with those people seriously because sometimes they just act weird.
No, wow, you said you have something to tell me.
Yes, I talked with my father at length and then we're talking about a jacket and cap for the staffs in the company. Okay. So I thought of giving you the contract.
Are you serious? That's a good idea. And at least you'll be wearing it every weekend.
Yes, I'd like to get your quotations. I'd like to know what it looks like and what's the cost like.
Okay, so are you also including the two other companies?
Yes, I have told Felix and Mrs. Onoja to get back to me on that as well.
All right. Thank you so much for believing in me.
Anything, anytime. And I was also thinking maybe you should add some wig business.
I've thought about it, but it's just that it needs a lot of cash. So if I can see someone that will borrow me, fine, why not? I can start up the business.
So how much are we looking at in total?
2 to 3 million naira.
Where is this taxi man? It's taking him forever to get here. Huh? See how we're just standing on the road.
See? Hello? Please, did you see any phone here?
What? Phone? No phone. It's not, we didn't see
Yes,
anything.
it's with her.
Huh?
Okay, please,
I'll
can I
just
have it?
slap you.
Give her a phone now.
You say
My phone, it dropped. Please, can I have it back?
your phone?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Is this your phone?
Of course it's my
Come
phone.
on, when will you get out if I slap you? You would speak grammar. Of course it's my phone. Bring 15K.
15 what?
15 pa.
Big sis. My phone,
Younger sis.
my phone fell off and you picked it. You're asking me to give you 50K for what? That's my phone, not
You
yours.
sure say this thing na your phone?
Of course it's my phone.
If it's your phone, you bring 15,000. That is for claim of ownership.
Excuse you, please, can I have my phone?
I go slap this girl.
Can I have my phone?
This girl say they provoke.
Sis, but this is not right now.
What be this girl now? You should say you be my sis. I go slap you.
Hey, this is my phone.
You touch me.
Of course I would.
My phone is
Hey, what's going on here? You again, Olosho. What are you doing with my sister?
Look at this
What
big
is
girl. You
going on?
dey see this move?
I dropped my phone. I came back to collect it. Her sister confirmed that she picked my phone. I was like, okay, can I have my phone? And she was like, I'm going to give her 15,000 naira to collect my phone.
Make 15,000 naira kill. This will be like calculator.
Calculator.
This
You
will be
be buyer.
calculator.
Thief like
This
you.
calculator.
With your double left leg.
calculator.
I beg, give me phone. I touch phone for your
Take
Not get touch like you see better for you. Collect.
See your face. Be like
I beg, come on. I go for
Come on,
my
get out.
house. See ya. With your yash wey be like balloon when they blow. See ya. See K-leg.
She's angry because of something. Please. I'm sorry.
I beg, get out. Go and control that your shameless sister when no get sense. See double left leg. Nonsense.
Sis, that girl is too classy to be doing pickpockets.
She's so shameless. Now, what do you expect from an Ashawo Olosho like her?
That
Please
means-
take your phone.
That means the dressing is fake.
It is now. You have to be careful. You know yourself. You have to be very
I'm
careful.
sure I will.
Let's go.
Come, this girl. If you near me, I will just break your head. Eh? Which kind of rubbish girl be this?
What did I do now?
So, you don't see anything wrong in what you did? No, you not do anything wrong. Not be you, cause I'm not be person that ask question.
How did I cause the whole thing? I only said you should not request money from her.
Oh, Saint Irene, I've seen you. Now I know you are very stupid. You are very stupid. To say you allow me obtain that girl, that 15K, you know say for you, I'm cover up these expenses. Do I blame you? It's not your fault. It's because Cletus and I are the ones feeding you in the house. You own to just the chop, they talk bullshit. Come on, give me this bag before I enjoy you. Mumu. Idiot. See, I don't want to see you near this bag. Everything inside here, don't even try to tamper with it, else I will enjoy you. Don't come close to it, oh. You own to sit down for us, they chop, they teach me manners.
This is not right though. This is not right. I only said you should not request money from her.
Are you right? Are you right? See, you see your life. See as you lean. See as you do we look alike? You don't even have the spirit of a hustler because you don't know how they make money. You think making money is easy? This is not right. It's not right. See as you lean. Or there. No near me. No near me. Not just near me, you this girl. Says it's sponsor for me. It's not right. But you concern small money and 15,000 for this business when I want run. I blame you. This is not right. Life right? You get anything right for this life? You self you right? I see the talk they follow me. No worry. They come. I they wait for you.
Which guy sister be this one self? I shouldn't have even followed you.
You see that girl? I'm ready for her. If she like, let her go and get all the whole area boys in this area. I'm not someone she can just threaten and go scot-free. I will deal with her. She never see anything.
Sister Issa, please calm down. She's just bragging. That is her problem. She lacks manners.
Can you imagine?
Don't you see the way her sister is behaving well?
Just imagine. Oh. She wants to come and oppress you. A thief and a lotion like that. No problem. I will show her the kind of person who I be. She never know me. She doesn't know who Essa is.
Sister Issa, please calm down. I'm sure she will not do anything if she sees you anywhere.
She will do.
She will not.
Let's start going. Let's get into the car.
Sure.
Yes, at all. Sorry, I had to call the call because someone was on the line. Okay. Yes. You know what? Let me just get back to you, please. Felix, how did you go with Mrs. Oloja?
It went well. We had a discussion, not concluded yet, but we're trying to get to a very good point and then we'll reach out to you when everything is set.
Okay. No problem. Just try and get back to me, you two, okay?
3 days we have the report on your table.
No problem.
Oh, please, ma'am, can I please sit?
Yeah, no problem. Sit down.
All right. Oh, thank you. There is something important I'd like to share with you.
What is it?
It's really not something serious, just my friend's story. You see, there was this girl he's been dating and he really loves the girl so very much, and then they've been going out for quite some time, and along the line, this guy is quite a hustler. I mean, he does well for himself. Not too big, but you can call him poor. I mean, he does trading for a living, and at least he can feed 3 square meals. So, they've been getting along fine. All of a sudden, she begins to put up some dirty characters and some stupid behavior, and the guy keeps pushing, trying every possible means to see how he can convert this girl. And it feels like the more he tries, the more the girl begins to lose her senses. And so the guy in question is a hustler, he tries every means possible to, live a good life, And then this girl, she keeps misbehaving, and, to cut the whole story short, she started seeing another guy. And for no reason, she started, maltreating my guy, and this thing keeps getting worse day by day, and it got to an extent she doesn't even want to set eyes on him anymore.
Okay, there must be a reason for her to behave like that.
Well, absolutely no reason, according to what my friend told me, because he's been doing everything possible. Perhaps it could just be that he failed to give her the birthday gift, or he didn't meet up with the kind of gift she wants.
Well, every girl wants to be with a man that can fulfill her wishes.
But I want to ask an important question in all of this. What if the guy she's now running helter-skelter over doesn't even see her as anything? I mean, doesn't even regard her, doesn't even love her?
You know what, Felix? It's better for you to get that girl off your head. That way you can be able to concentrate on your job.
I wasn't talking about me. I was referring to my friend.
Hey, good afternoon. Yes, I'm back. The exam went well. Oh, Sister Rita. Probably she's not with her phone or something. Maybe she's busy at work. Yes, when I drop a message for her, when she's less busy, I'm sure she'll get back to you. When are you coming? But Sister Rita said you'll be done with your NYC today. I even think you were calling to say you're coming back tomorrow. Alright. I'll tell her what you said. That's if I'm the first to get to her on phone. Alright, no problem. Bye. This is my sister. So my sister will live long. Hello sis, good afternoon. He will live long sis. Yes, Ogie just called me and we're talking about you. She says she has been trying to reach you. Please try and call her back to know why she's calling. Sis, thank God Sister Ise came on time. It was her sister that even caught my attention that my phone fell off. She was asking me to give her 15K to collect my own phone back from her. Yeah, thank God. The Ise said that helped me to collect my phone from her though. Yeah, it's fine. I'm okay. Sis, please try and eat something, okay? Yes, don't get yourself worked up. Try and eat something, okay? This is the reason why I asked you for me to be your PA, but you refused. So, I'm just checking up on you as a good sister. Okay, sis. Alright, bye-bye.
When you not getting money, they go run away from you. But when you get the money, they go run come back to you. Man on a motor, money the driver. If you not getting money, na big palava. You go be like a motor without the engine. Nobody go want you. Fine but without money, be like transport to motor. Just go enter and still alight. If you can't get the money, you be like mansion. Everyone want the last but if you not get the money, they go they run away from you. If you can't get the money, they go they run come back to you. If you not get the money, they go they run away from you. If you get the money, they go for Yakata for you. Sampuruya.
Felix.
Oh.
Felix. You came back early today.
I close by 4 on Fridays.
I thought it was the evening period that your business normally moves.
Well, that was when I was still into sales business, but now I work as an operational and logistics manager in a leading company.
Oh.
Every Fridays, we'll close by 4 p.m.
Oh, wow. Congratulations. Hey, no wonder you are dressing corporate these days.
That's what the office demands.
It fits you. Felix. She don't dey smoke weed.
Why do you ask? She came here?
No, she didn't come here. I saw her in town today. I greeted her. She just ignored me. I had to follow her to make myself known to her. Do you know what she did? She yelled at me.
Why?
I don't know.
Oh. Well, if I tell you what I've been seeing in the hands of that girl lately, you would pity me.
I know what she can do. What happened?
A lot has happened, not something I want to start talking about. I just remember how we met, you know. She used to be a very good girl, very, very good girl. With so much love, respect, so much affection, so much... She was sweet. The one that I cannot forget till date was the time I was owing one guy like that. She took her time and made sure she paid all my debts. All of it. But now, she's been misbehaving. I've been following different men all about. Doing all sort of stuffs. And every time I try to approach her, she gets mad. Goodness, not everything I can start telling you now. But the worst of it all is the last time I went to speak to her. Before I could say anything, she gave me a dirty slap.
She slapped you? Oh no, this is the height of it all. And up till now, she hasn't even apologized?
Apologize what? Please. I just don't want to talk about it. Well, I'm just trying to give her some time. Hopefully she will come back to her senses.
Now what for you, Felix? Now what for you? You still want to give her some time? When you are living with a full package in the same compound with you. Felix, it's me that fits you, not that stupid girl that doesn't have manners. Felix, look at me now. Eh? Look at me. Look at me very well. See, Felix, if not that Hayash, they make you, they follow him like a puppy. I get him. Felix. See my back now, you fool. What are we talking about? See, Felix, let me tell you something. Felix, am I not beautiful? I am beautiful. I am sexy. I am romantic. Felix, see, let me tell you, if I handle you, Felix, if I handle you, Felix, for real, if I handle you, you will be the one looking for me. Let's bet it.
Can you just do me a favor?
What is it?
As you can see, I am tired. I had a lot to do at the office today. Just allow me, go inside.
Oh, this is what I want to hear. Can you go inside? See, listen to me. It's today you will know that there is heaven on earth. Let me go and wait for you.
Sorry, excuse me. Where are you going? Now, which way are you going?
I am going inside to wait for you.
Inside where? Go inside your house. That's what I said. Your house, not mine.
Felix.
Ini.
Felix.
Ini.
You mean it?
I meant it. Please go inside your house and please stop disturbing me. Go inside your house.
Oh, I'm waiting for you inside. You know, it's like I should wait for you inside. I'm waiting for you inside.
So that was how it started though. But I'm sorry things didn't go well with, you guys. That girl doesn't deserve you. You deserve someone better, please, Felix.
You have no idea what that girl has done to me.
it's obviously clear that she doesn't want you anymore in her life. So just let her be. Move on. Forget about her, please. In fact, as it stands, your presence irritates her. Just forget about that girl, Bigo.
Because of money. That guy spoils her worth. That's why she left me.
Well, I disagree with you because, she doesn't love you. Can you imagine a guy she barely knows, she just met, and he just started lavishing her with so much money, and then she went after the guy? Hey, look there, you're a very handsome guy, whether you take it or leave it. You're handsome. There's no girl you will approach that will not come after you. They go agree now. So just forget about that useless, crazy Olusho. That girl is an hour for you. Felix, it's okay, you're crying. I'm sorry I said she's an Olusho. I know you love her so much. But you have to move on. She's going to do everything to cut you out of her life. Please, darling. Stop crying. It's okay.
Hey!
Now, wow. Babe. You need to see the film that played today. I wish you were there.
Really? What
Yes,
happened?
Ha! I don't know why that girl keep appearing in my picture.
Which girl are you talking about?
Okay, hold on. I was trying to be a good girl. So I wanted to, settle Felix and his girlfriend. And then I asked Felix for her number. I called her and then she booked an appointment for us to see. So I told Felix, when we got there, I told Felix to, hang around. My dear, guess who I saw? Hey! The girl when Felix did die for. That useless, idiotic, mannerless girl I fought with the last time.
No, you are joking. No way.
I'm not joking.
No way! So you guys fought again?
Yes, now. You don't know your friend again. Trust me. She wanted to display her madness. I gave it back to her immediately. Hey, that girl. I was even thinking that, I was expecting to see, a decent, beautiful, and a classy queen. Unfortunately, it was just that rascal when Felix they date. Can you imagine? Eh?
There must be something about that girl that makes Felix go crazy.
I don't know for him. I don't just understand Felix. He needs to leave that relationship because that girl is draining his life. You better talk to him before he will spoil something in that office.
But he has been handling his job very well. He hasn't failed in any of his duties.
Well, that won't concern you. I don't talk my own finish. Wow. Human beings did this life.
Oga Felix. This one, your mood is looking like person who lost someone special. What is it? You're not saying anything. Are you hungry? Because I prepared a tama and correct Ede Kaikon this morning. Talk, so I can go and get it for you.
Thank you. But I'm not hungry.
But as I can see, you are hungry. I've been at the other type of hunger they do you. I know. Toko, I can offer myself free of charge. No fear, yeah? No fear. I no go collect any money from you. Toko, you know one talk? Feli. Felix. Feli. Hey.
This life no balance. So. Eh? How person go leave person wey love am? Eh? Go dey follow person wey no love am. Person wey wan kill am. Now you dey follow. Now why I talk say this life no balance? Anyway, that's your business. I'm gonna go kill you now.
What? No, I'm listening to you. I sent you money some days back, 100,000 naira, and here you were asking me for another 80,000 naira. Well, that was because you told me your service was going to end 2 days ago. Why are you still there? Well, you know Dad wouldn't even approve that. I'm going to send you 20k, and that's because I want you to come back. That's for your transport fare.
Sister, you don't know what she's going through over there. Maybe you should add money to 20k you want to send to her.
I don't understand. Why are you sounding as if you don't know your sister?
I know. But when she comes back, you need to sit her down and talk to her.
Well, I will talk to her. But the question is it going to assimilate? Will she even listen to me?
I believe she will. You called me.
Please just get me something cold. I'm so hot right now.
Okay, sister.
Don't give me that look. I know you are surprised to see me here. Okay, that's fine. I know you are surprised to see me. I just didn't want to call you that I was coming, so. How are you? Well, I brought you food. Don't worry. I am no longer angry. If I'm angry, I won't be here. In here, there is sachet of water for you to drink. So, I have to be on my way out. I'll see you later. Felix. How far now? Felix. What is it? You see what starving yourself can cause? Eh? See the way you are holding your stomach because of hunger. Okay, see, I bought this food for you on my way coming back. Because I discovered that you are scared of eating the one I prepared with my hand. I don't have anything in my mind though. Oh yeah, take and start eating it. Take it before it gets cold. Take.
Thank you.
Yeah. Open it. Felix, I don't like the way you are staring at me. As if there is something in this food. I told you I just bought the food. I bought it for you. Because I feel that you need this care. Since Oluchi has been misbehaving. Open the food and eat.
Thank you.
Start eating before it gets cold.
You want it back?
I don't want it back. I want you to eat food. Okay, it's fine. I'm going inside now. I'll come back later. Eat the food, okay? Felix. Felix. Feli. Where this man come Akago? Eh? Just now where I see saying if I don't finish this food by now. No, wait. Don't tell me that he has gone to throw this food away. Because I will not take it. Eh? Felix! 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 Felix!
Ah, Felix. I went to get this drink for you so you can use it to eat. Felix. Ah! Is that not the food I bought for you? Felix, I bought you food with my money and you gave it to a madman.
How could I possibly give it to a madman? I was coming outside to see if I could get something cold to eat the food with, but and then, before I could know, he aggressively took it from me. I've been trying to stop him, but as you can see, he's unstoppable.
Hey, Fagge! Fagge! Come, let's enjoy ourselves together. You are here. Come. You know I love you. Come. My love, come. Come, Fagge. Come. I deserve it, my love. You can't run away from me. My love. I love you. You know I love you.
Babe, guy, Alpha, this one past step on no. Why that madman just dey pursue everybody around? Eh?
I don't know, even myself I dey confused.
Which kind of place up that one? Eh? How go take no? Don't be three of us dey waka. Eh? How go take no? Why you dey tell me that one? Which kind of question be that one? Eh? I been a simple question I just ask, no dey give me question. Eh? This one past step on, you know they see him. Now wow. Hey, hi, God, see what I have gotten myself into. Eh? Anywhere this madman sees me now, he will never allow me to rest. Hey, what am I going to do? What am I going to do now? Eh? What is all this? Why are we running?
It's true.
What is true? Why are we running? Because you were running, that's why I followed you.
My sister, I saw people running. I have to run for my life.
I don't blame you. You made me run as if I'm a fool.
And you that is running without seeing anybody chasing you, are you not the big fool? The biggest one.
God, my heart. If I not die today, I will never die again.
Your heart. You see me that does not have heart now. Your heart.
Shege, Uwaki.
Ubanki. See, I'm like Nash. See.
Let go! Fingers, I will catch you. See, let me go and pick my bag. Somebody. Stupid girl.
Okay. And the reason you want to turn back or what?
Felix.
Felix, what? And the reason you're turning back?
That you see me turned, that doesn't mean that I'm going back. I thought I forgot something.
You thought you forgot something. Can you listen to yourself? You thought you forgot something. Well, that's not my problem. I just want to ask you one simple question.
And what is it?
What happened over there?
I don't know.
You don't know. I'm talking about the food. Okay. I'm not angry, don't get me wrong. It's none of my business actually. But it would have been if I had eaten that food. Now just look at the way you were embarrassing yourself. Look at how you disgraced yourself. A madman is madly in love with you. Yes! Isn't that true? It's obvious. He's been running helter-skelter. He's been chasing you here and there. My advice. Look for the solution as fast as you can. Because I will be glad to be on the day where you say I do to a madman.
Felix, I don't even know what is going on. I don't understand. I'm thinking of going back to the place I bought the food. Maybe the woman gave me someone else's food. Maybe.
Just an advice. As fast as you can, get a solution. Else, I will be very, very happy to be punctual on that day where you say, I do to a madman.
I can understand. Dad. Good evening, Dad.
Good evening, sir. Good evening. Why are you both stuck like who fell into a trap?
Because, Dad, I wasn't expecting to see you. You didn't tell me you were coming as usual.
Well, surprises are wonderful because it's fun.
Yes, you're right.
And so who is this young man with you?
He's my friend. His name is Ato.
Yes, sir. Arthur. So what do you do?
Oh, I do business.
Business. Your face rings a bell. Have we met before?
No, sir. I'm sure we haven't met before. I'm meeting you for the very first time in person.
It's okay. Maybe I'll just be mistaking you for someone else.
I'm sure, sir. Thank you. Rita, I have to be on my way now.
Okay. Yes, we'll talk later.
Sure. Sir, I have to leave now. I have business to catch up with.
All right. Do have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Dad, I have to be in my room.
All right.
Hello, Mr. Michael. No, I haven't gotten any call from them. They actually have only one of my business lines, and right now it's down. And I'm charging. On Tuesday. But we had agreed that I would
be with them in the next 2 weeks, so why this sudden change? Okay. Don't worry. I'll call Mr. Wood and find out if the call is genuine. And if it is, I think we had better begin to prepare for their coming. But I'll get back to you after I'm done with Mr. Wood, okay? He's all right. You have greatly improved. Wow.
Thank you, Dad, but I didn't prepare the food.
Who did?
Uche here did.
Uche?
Yes, Dad, it was me.
I can't recall you preparing something delicious like this.
After that incident, I decided I wouldn't be cooking our general foods anymore because each time I cook, there's always a complaint. I took it as a personal challenge to do training on how to cook.
And I've been in this house, no one told me about it.
No, Dad, I did it when you were away.
Then how did you pay your way through the training?
Actually, Dad, I didn't use my money. Rita gave me money to pay for it.
Oh, I'm so proud of you both.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you, Dad.
That's the way it should be. Wow, I'm sure I'm going to have more. Hopefully have some more rest.
You sure, Dad?
Yes, Dad.
Yeah.
Yes. Your area, no? Second here. Wait. Don't do this.
I'm not blame her. I should have done my tiny sister lying down outside the class to bring me. If you want to die, die there.
Sorry. Are you alright? So sorry. Did she stop?
No, she did not.
Now what for my sister?
Where's she traveling to?
I have no idea. I was in the living room with my brother discussing where she came out with her bag saying she's traveling. We asked her where she's going to. She said we should not bother her, and when she gets there, she will call us to tell us. She gave me money to buy something for her. That was when I decided to call you. And I thought you would come on time. So sorry. Odima.
You're still here. Dad, don't you think you need some rest?
Yes, you're right, but I have a Zoom meeting to catch up. You know, because of the time zone difference, I'm forced to wait for them from after 12 o'clock. So I really have to be in the meeting.
I understand. Dad, you said something about my visitor earlier today. You said his face was familiar to you.
Yes. His face seems, I don't know, so familiar, but I can't really place myself where I would have met him or how. It's so vague. I don't know how.
Are you sure you're not taking him to be someone else?
I don't think so. What kind of business does he do?
Well, he sells cars.
He sells cars. That's a lucrative business. So where is his office?
At number 40 on the Chai Expressway, opposite Ezeko Plaza.
Okay. It's okay. Let's just forget about it, okay? I won't be around in a short while.
Why? Where are you going with that?
My business partners in Ghana earnestly wants my presence. You know my new office I'm trying to set up out there.
When?
I should be gone by Monday.
By Monday? Oh, Dad, I was expecting you to come to the office by Monday so you could cross-check our new starts and also know if you have some laws to implement as the chairman of the company.
Well, I don't think my presence should really be a problem as long as I have an intelligent, hardworking, and a creative MD. You know, a powerhouse woman, I'll call her, in the name of Miss Rita Adobe Okafor.
Dad.
No, that's true.
Thank you for believing in me.
What else should I do?
No, leave me. What is this? What kind of nonsense is that? How can you allow her to disrespect you in such manner? Is she mad?
Look, she has every reason to be angry. You just showed up unannounced. Huh? I told you, wait for my call. Wait for my calls.
Did you call me? Or can you call? No. Then I decided to give you a surprise. Am I an idol? Since my boyfriend did not call me, I came to my boyfriend. Is it a crime? Besides, you never told me you live with a girl.
Must I tell you everything about my life? When did we start? That's what I'm asking you. When did we start? Huh? And for your information, she doesn't live here with me. She just came for a visit. And then you just showed up unannounced.
Fine, no. She came for a visit. Me, I came for a visit too. We are both visitors. So allow me. I am staying in my boyfriend's house. Yes, I am here for a visit too.
Why are you being difficult? Stay here together. Just after what happened. If I was not strong enough to just pull you out, do you know what could have happened inside there?
So what are you saying?
What's wrong with you?
Let me tell you, all this is your fault. It's all your fault. You said you love me. And I believed you. See, I am not going anywhere. Which hotel? We die here. Who they go hotel?
What's wrong with you? Had it been you didn't go in there and start running your mouth that you're my girlfriend, all this wouldn't have happened. What is wrong with you? Just look at the scene you caused there. Where are you going? What's wrong?
I'm going away. It's obvious that's what you want.
No, see, we can sort this thing out. We can sort it out.
Nerves to touch me. You still have the nerves to touch me. You really want to humiliate me? Is it because I kept quiet? You still have the nerves to touch me, eh? See, I will slap you over and over again if you dare raise your filthy hands on me again. Rubbish! Come on, go and see this girl. That's all you did. You not get home train, you dey slap man. Eh? If you get sense, you for not say I dey try. I don't dey try since make I for press my anger. Make I for not bounce on you, kill you. Because as you dey like this, like on banana wey don't too ripe. If I touch on you, if you get mad, you dey next. Wait, you dey mad.
Don't do that.
That's all.
Stop.
What is it? Haven't I told you to stop calling and asking where I am? Eh? Now today they break? Yes, now I've told you not to call and be asking me where I am. Eh? What is it? Can't you see I'm on phone? Come, let me warn you. Eh? See, if I won't deal with that girl, if I want to fight her, you know rich.
You not rich. You not go fit stop me. Instead of you to be man enough to tell me you're tired of my presence, you went ahead to bring one stupid girl to the house. To do what? To spite me? So I'll get furious and leave, right? But you see that girl? She go deal with you. She go show you shege. The shege why they talk, you wear brocades. She go deal with you. Your eye go see your anus. Idiot. Make I warn you for the last time. Any day where you go call my line again, if you dial my number again, whether knowingly or unknowingly, wait till I go do you. Eh? You no go believe her. Don't that we go fire you, still they do press up. Idiot! Let me even delete the idiot number. What is it? What is it you wanted to tell me? What? Why didn't you tell me that was seated here when I was making the call?
You would have shown me.
Dad, I never noticed you were here. Someone got me really upset. I didn't even notice you were seated here.
Uche,
Yes, Dad.
leave that back there and get inside.
Okay, Dad.
Sometimes, I wonder if I was the one that gave birth to you. I wonder if I was actually the one that raised you. Imagine the way you were talking.
But Dad, I just told you someone got me really
Will
upset.
you keep quiet? If someone got you upset, and so what? Did you notice the way you were talking? Did you notice that you were like an arrogant, unmannered woman that was ill brought up? I'm so disappointed. Really, really disappointed. And you better be careful now that you have come back. And be ready to turn a new leaf. Now get out of my presence. How are you? No, it's you, Rita. Your sister just got me upset. Yes, you needed to see her appearance. You needed to hear her talk. So disgusting. Highly disgusting. I can't believe it. If your mother were to be alive, I'm very sure that she would be as disgusted as I am. I can't believe it. You better speak to her. Talk sense into her. Because the kind of woman I am seeing in her, she's definitely going to break our hearts. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Thank you.
Sister, good afternoon. Okay. I noticed you're angry with me. If there's anything I did, please tell me. I wouldn't want us to be in the same house and we're not in talking terms.
Swear you don't know what you did.
I swear. Please tell me now. I don't want us to be in the same house. We're not in talking terms. You're my sister.
Uche,
Ma.
you are the reason Dad is upset with me. I mean, you intentionally kept quiet so I can fool myself before Dad. Why would you do a thing like that?
You know that's not true. You yelled at me even though it wasn't intentional. If I should try and stop in that mood you were in a sin will occur. I know you're my senior,
But sometimes you need to calm down your anger. Please, if you still feel I'm the reason for all this, please forgive me, sis. I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
It's fine. You are right. I really need to control my anger.
Now you're talking as my sister. You know I'm the mom of this house. Eh? You need to be petting me. Eh? It's like you're forgetting small. You need to be pampering me.
Who is this one? You know that strategy won't work with me. So just take it to Rita. She's the ice water of the house.
Okay. Okay.
Please don't tell her. Please.
I would tell her.
Boss, you sent for me.
Yes, my dad was around. But he left this morning for something very urgent.
Boss is always a busy man.
But we talked at length about you. And I was asked to make every necessary document available for your training in South Africa.
Wow. Thank you so much, boss. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it. Thank you. I don't even have an international passport.
I will take care of that.
You will?
I will.
Thank you so much, boss. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, Felix. Good afternoon. Oh, yes. I came over to see your boss, but I left immediately. Oh, okay. I'm on my way to the shop as I'm speaking with you now. I hope no problem. You want to thank me? On what exactly? Are you serious? Okay. Well, just invite me out for dinner if you want to show appreciation. I beg. That joke I do. I was just kidding. No, I won't argue. It's fine. It's fine. Alright, just let me know where and when on time. Okay? I'll talk to you later. Do have a nice day. Bye. Ciao. Whew.
Also, how are you doing?
I'm fine. So you came into town and you didn't bother to reach out to me.
I actually wanted to take everybody by surprise. No one in my house knew I was coming. They were all shocked when they saw me.
It was indeed a surprise.
Yeah.
So, what are you doing here?
My friend just opened this interior decoration shop. So I just came to check it out.
Oh, nice. So how's your father?
I don't know anything about my father. I don't know if he's fine or not. I just know he traveled this morning.
You. So, did you drive?
Oh, drive what? My father stopped me from using any of his cars. I did not drive. Oh.
Well, it's my dinner time. Do you care to join me?
Why not? Please, let's go.
Alright, Hoppy.
Alright.
When you no get the money, they go run away from you. But when you get the money, they go run come back to you. Man on a motor, money the driver. If you no get the money, na big palava. You go be like a motor without the engine. Nobody go want you. Fine burn without money, be like transport to motor. Just go enter and still alight. If you can't get money, you be like mansion. Everyone want the last you. But if you don't get the money, they go they run away from you. If you can't get the money, they go they run come back to you. If you don't get the money, they go they run away from you. If you get the money, they go for your gata for you. Samburuya, take out jelly. Every woman go like to they chop your money.
Felix, are you just coming back?
No. I'm just traveling.
How was your day?
Fine, thank you. How was yours?
It was okay. Felix, it seems something is bothering you.
Nothing is bothering me. Tired? I need to go in and sleep. Is there any other problem?
Nothing. Felix, come. Are you sure you are telling me the truth? Because it's written all over you. See, my people always say a problem shared is a problem solved.
Madam Problem Solver. Go into the street, start looking for people who have problem and solve theirs. I don't have a problem. Like I told you, I am tired. I need to go inside, shut down, sleep, rest. Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Just being a concerned neighbor.
Is it possible to leave me alone?
I'm sorry.
Brother Felix, is everything alright?
And everything is alright. Don't mind that problem solver.
I called you a few minutes ago. You didn't respond.
Phone was in my pocket. I saw the missed call. I said when I go in, settle down, I'll call you back. I hope there's no problem.
There is no problem. There is this business I want to start. I told my brother Cletus that I need his support. I told him I already saved 20,000 naira. He gave me 20,000 and said I should start.
So, what's the problem?
The problem now is I lied to him. I didn't save any money. The only money I had then was 7,000 naira. I don't know if you can help me with 15,000 naira. I'll pay you back.
So you want to start up a business?
Yes.
You're sure the business is lucrative?
Very, very.
And you have 20,000 your brother gives you?
Yes, I have it.
So if I give you 15,000, your problem will be over with?
Yes, Brother Felix, I'll start up.
You're sure?
Very sure.
Alright. How about I give you 40,000 naira?
40,000? Ah! I'll be very happy.
You don't have to pay back.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate.
The only payback I want is for me to hear that the business is flourishing.
Brother Felix, don't worry. I won't disappoint you.
It will boom.
Very so much. Thank you so much.
Alright, it's late already as you can see, so hurry home. Send me the account number as soon as you get home. I'll forward you the money.
I will. Thank you so much. Bye.
Since you're here, actually there's something I want to collect from you. What is it? Why is your face like this? Are you okay?
Uche.
Hmm?
The truth is, Dad doesn't love me. He doesn't want me around. He just sees me as one normal street girl. He feels I'm not focused. And I wonder why. He doesn't like me at all.
Okay. Dad loves you. I believe he's being strict with you because of the way you behave. Dad doesn't want your future to end in regret. You're the most intelligent, smartest, beautiful sister that we have. Believe me, Dad really loves you.
So why is he treating me as if I'm not his daughter? If he truly loves me, why?
Okay. Dad really loves you. Dad only started getting angry with you when everything about you suddenly changed. Your character changed, the way you talk changed, your dress, everything about you changed. And he has advised you over it, he has sat you down, called you, talked to you to change, but you refused. And you know Dad loves decent people around him. He doesn't like the way you dress. He loves his daughter dressing decent. He feels you're too big to talk to, because you've discarded most of his counsel. Dad really loves you. Okay?
Dad always wants me to listen to him. He doesn't want to listen to me. He has never for once asked himself, why is this girl behaving like this? What does she really want? No. He just wants to control my life. Even the law I studied in school wasn't my choice. He forced me to. He knows how much I want to be a fashion designer, but he has killed that dream. He doesn't want to hear anything about fashion designing at all. I mean, what did I do wrong? He just hates me because I am okay, because I'm being myself.
Don't say that.
I don't want to be someone else. That's why he hates me.
No, sis, don't say that. Dad cannot hate you. You're his child. Yes, he loves you.
Okay.
And who says you cannot be the fashion designer you want to be? So maybe you should try adjusting some of your characters, and Dad will consider you being a fashion designer. I mean, there's nothing he cannot do for us. I believe Dad wants us to be happy. I'll talk to Sister Rita. I believe she'll be able to convince Dad about this fashion designer career.
What's the difference between Dad and Rita?
Yes, I'll be sending 2 people down to your company so they come and check it out. You have the money,
Boss, I'd like to refund the money I was paid for the trip.
Excuse you?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? What happened?
I'm not interested anymore.
Why the sudden change of mind?
It's Otto.
What about Otto?
He came to my office and asked me to follow him to his car that he wanted to talk to me. And we got to his car and all he could tell me was to stay away from you and that you're not my bag.
Is Otto the CEO of this company?
No.
Get out. I said, get out. Use the door.
Oga, I have been calling you since morning. So what are you saying about undoing the spell that mistakenly fell on this madman? Please, you need to find solution. I can't live with this. What are you saying? I have been restless ever since the day the madman embarrassed me. I have been walking around carefully, observing so I won't see him again and face this embarrassment.
See my good. You cannot ask for the politician at the mad. Politician at the mad. Oh my God!
Embarrassment and humiliation. I should sleep with you? What which kind of life is this?
Hey! Fine babe! Asa Vetemanyama! It is me, your love. Come, let me find somewhere right here. Do it. Come, my love. You made it for me, you're my love. Come. Hey! Baby, come on here! Come on! Hey! Come on! Come! Please, now. Come, baby.
Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? You not see where she entered on my guy. Now you go run enter.
Please help me.
Only God know what you do when this man dey pursue you. You go talk true.
Please help me. Carry me, come on here. Hey,
I've indirectly kissed you. And I will not even brush again.
You won't brush all your life?
All my life. Yes. Fine girl.
I'm just noticing that.
I'm just noticing.
What is going on here?
What does it look like?
Felix, what is going on here?
I'm having a good time.
You went on with this straight girl? Do you want to be unfortunate? So after ruining my relationship, you still have the mouth to talk? Have you lost it?
Why are you paying attention to someone who is not even here? I am here.
Felix, what is going on here? You've not answered me. And I wasn't talking to you.
It's quite obvious that she's thirsty. Black, ultimately, so. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Baby. Hello, excuse me. You have the malt. Have 2 cheers. Be my guest. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby.